Corporations are a type of institutional unit. The key factor to classify a unit as a corporation is not its legal status, but the fact that it is a market producer. A market producer is defined as a unit that provides goods and services at prices that are economically significant. Whether or not corporations charge economically significant prices is the criterion used to classify a government-controlled institutional unit as a non-market producer, and therefore part of the general government sector, or as a market producer and therefore a public corporation. In other words, market producers sell their output at economically significant prices, whereas non-market producers do not. A price is economically significant when it has a substantial influence on the supply and demand for the good or service. In theory, the price is set by the producers to maximize profits, and purchasers make decisions based on their alternatives and budget constraint. In reality, prices change for various reasons. This is especially relevant for public corporations because the government as owners pursue objectives beyond maximizing profits. The GFS only provides general guidance on what constitutes an economically significant price. It does not provide prescriptive numerical guidance or a test to determine whether a price is economically significant or not, and thereby whether a given unit is a market producer. However, in general, to be a market producer, it is expected that a public unit will cover at least half of its production costs with sales. Some additional things to look at are whether the unit provides the goods and services in competition with private producers, and, if the government is a customer of the unit, whether or not the government has made that selection of supplier based on price.